Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to invite friends on Temu. So if you like to invite friends for the gifts or maybe for the reason, I'll show you how you can do it. So first you have to open your Temu app, and once the app gets open, you have to go to your profile. For that, you have to click onto the U icon which is at the bottom, and then you just have to simply click on play and earn. Once you tap onto it, you will see different options. From these options, you can go to this first one, which is all items free. And then a game sort of thing will start where you have to like pick cards, spin things, and pick items that you can get it for free. So there you can just simply select the things that you like, and once you have selected the things, the process is done. At the end, it will ask you to invite your friends. Then you can invite your friends. But first, you have to go through this process where you can just simply select the things that you would like to get it as free gifts. And once you have selected, it will just take a while in the things. And once it is done, then you will get to the page where you can invite your friends. So here we are almost there. You can see we have this option invite friends. Now you can click onto it, then copy the link, or you can also share it on these platforms, and then you will be able to invite your friends on Timo. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.